I'm Edel Boba Bubita. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Next up, candidate number 2. Number 2. Candidate number 2.
Koridor ka ba? Baka mo eh. Ay!
Pindas ni Merwin
Thank you
eh.
very much, candidate number 1.
Merwin!
Candidate number 2.
Merwin!
Hi, good evening ladies and gentlemen. I'm Judith Zapato, 16. Kanal ka ba? Kasi tanga lang nahuhulog sa'yo eh.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Candidate number 3.
Good evening ladies and gentlemen. Stand in front of you. Tenerife, 18. Mabuhay! Dorons ka ba? Kasi bibi ko dorong.
Chapter 3. Candidate number 4.
Gago.
Wait lang po, nalalaglag yung skinny ko.
Headband naman ngayon. Ayun.
Standing in front of you, Bea Alonso, 21. Computer ka ba? Kasi mukha mo parang mouse.
Ay! Candidate number 4. Candidate number 5.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Shamsay Subsub, 14. Energy drink ka ba?
Kasi ko
Kasi mukha mo cobra.
Thank you, candidate number 5. Let's welcome candidate number 6.
Merwin! At tinapintas.
Hello. Good evening to all of you. I'm standing in front of you. I'm Katrina Kilikili, 24 years old. Inyas ka ba? Kasi ang sarap mong apakan eh.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Let's welcome candidate number 4.
Elad! Pagpinas ni Merwin. Pinlas.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Standing in front of you, Pia Villena, 21. Sa akin ka ba? Taulong dipag. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing by the name, Heart Evangelista, 19 years old. Sir Pan, ketchup ka ba? Kasi ikaw ang hinahanap ng hotdog ko eh.
21.
Babsi.
Tsokolate ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang itim mo eh. Good evening. I'm Katrina Helilis, 16.
Merwin!
Tama ka ba? Ikaw ang partner ng Maniko eh.
Pintas.
Good evening to each and everyone. Iyamoto, 16. Kritis ka ba? Kasi ang lakas ng putok mo eh.
Hello.
Thank you very much, candidate.